Welcome to my channel, where we discuss all things about mobile home parks and RV parks. My name is Guy Torelli, and recently I did an interview where I was asked how I got started in mobile home parks. Here's that short clip.
And I'm excited to do this. So I've been a multifamily broker for about 30 years, and that means apartment buildings, self-storage, and mobile home parks. Mostly apartment buildings is my background. So I've sold over 5,000 apartment units all over California, a few other states. And about 6 years ago, I came across this developer, and he had this mobile home park and some apartment units, about 35 spaces, 8 or 9 apartments, and the rest mobiles. And he wanted to sell it. And I didn't know anything about mobile home parks, but I knew, of course, a lot about apartments. Anyway, so I analyzed it with him and sold it. And that sort of launched me. And then I looked around and realized, very few people are doing parks, especially brokers. And so I stumbled onto some more and ended up from then till now, I think I've sold a little over 500 spaces in 10 parks in 4 different states. So that's my background.
Yeah, we're going to get into that. He's definitely traveled all over, and you'll see in a minute some of the research that he's done with this area.
Okay, so this channel is about buying, managing, renovating, operating, and selling mobile home and RV parks, plus some occasional ideas and trends that I think affect these investments. Questions? Please call or text me and I'd be happy to help you. Thank you, and I'll see you again soon.